Alright, we're back at the garage. Today we're doing the diff on the MX5.
Yes, it's gonna be easy.
Is it?
Or difficult.
We have reinforcements. Oh, Bird also shat on you, I think. On your back.
Yeah, on the back of
Is it also new?
Yeah, it's all over.
But it's old series beer shit. It's not fresh beer shit in your coffee.
Yeah, Cas had a bird shit in his coffee earlier. Just.
Okay, so we prepared. We got the bolts to attach the diff to the PPF and also these strange mushroom things. These things that we worked on last week.
Rust free now.
Yeah.
Very,
slightly.
if you don't look underneath.
I mean,
but,
no rust on the outside.
Yeah. Black frogs.
Here a bit of brick was stuck to it, you see?
Oh,
Strange. These are for the
Drive shaft.
drive shaft. These are for these covers. So I think then we should be complete. Yeah, oh, and we also have the diff.
Next to the crusty mystery El Camino.
Crustamino.
Crustamino.
Crustamino. El Crustamino. No.
It's like 30 degrees outside and Corbin is still wearing a jacket.
It's only 20 something.
Well, yesterday in the afternoon he was also just wearing a jacket like that.
That's not a jacket, that's a coat.
A coat.
Coat in the mosh pit.
And
Is this
bird
fresh?
shit free. Bird shit free.
Oh. Yeah, you had some free cream.
There was too crusty for cream.
Ooh. Crusty cream donuts, isn't it?
2 hours later.
We just hung the diff under the car. It was awful. Corbin was supposed to film, but apparently didn't film jack shit. Corbin. Useless. But anyways, that thing was...
So we got the diff in
heavy.
place, but we still need to attach the drive shaft, the side axles, and need to get
Yeah,
to,
but at
to
least
the
we
PPF with this mushroom thing, so there's still some way to
At
go.
least we have the heavy fucker under there. My arms are
Sore.
yeah. I've had my workout for this morning. We're back to
Cleaning as always.
these are the bolts for the drive shaft to go to the diff. But they were quite crusty, so.
Hey, you. Wait, I did it the wrong way around.
Oh. What? What do you mean?
The long one needs to go here and the short one here. I did it all the way around.
Oh.
So, good news, we got the PPF attached to the diff again. So, now our short shifter is not as short as before. It is become a regular shifter again. Casper is now working on attaching the drive shaft to the diff. The diff is already in, you can see PPF bolts there. Hey, Corbin is supporting Team NL that hasn't won a medal yet. But it's all gonna be well because I'm going to the Olympics today.
The fact that we clean them does make a difference already.
Yeah, it always helps.
Yeah, okay. So dat ging wel easy actually.
Nice.
Dan is cleaning the tips, the drive shafts.
And it's looking quite well. It's not getting that much gunk out of it anymore.
Kast is over here fitting the
Assembling the drive shaft.
the bolts for the drive shaft. Wait, is it drive? One is the drive shaft. What's the other?
This
Are these? Is this a drive shaft?
I think this is more like the axle.
Axle. Yeah.
Axle shaft.
Drive axle.
Shaft.
I don't know. Anyways, we're fixing stuff. Corbin's over here enjoying his beverage. Alright, we're putting on the last nuts and bolts on the drive shaft. I had to convince the last bolt to work a little with a Dremel.
But hey, now it went easily actually, instead of not at all.
We managed to pop in the drive shaft.
I just wanted to say, if you want to know why I'm sweating, we popped in the first drive shaft.
Yeah.
It was difficult.
Yeah, we'll show you on the second one, because we didn't film this, even though Corbin wasn't doing anything and he could have filmed.
Yeah.
Corbin, film.
Right.
I like how just everything in Dan's life is blue. His overalls, his car, his gloves. So, basically the plan is, me and Dan are gonna push on this and the Cas is gonna shimmy.
Yeah, and then we hope that it pops in.
Okay, make sure that this
The ring is up.
goes in there clean.
The ring is up, ring's up. Is the ring up?
Okay,
Ready?
shimmy.
Yeah. Hey.
Nice. This one went a bit
Went
easier.
way easier.
Yeah, but we
Hey,
got
yeah.
got a bit of the idea also.
Yeah.
Yeah, we already knew how to do it.
The push and shimmy wombo combo. Right, nice. What's the plan now, Dan?
Yeah, I think we can start with the suspension arms and stuff.
Nice.
But maybe first tightening these things to spec.
Yeah.
Which things?
The subframe.
The bolts we just did.
These.
Do you have the spec sheet?
Need to find it. Maybe first let's get a well-deserved cup of coffee.
Yeah. Coffee time. Corbin working hard as usual. Right. Drop
Okay.
the spec. Behold, Corbin's actually doing something useful. Come on, hang it in. Hold it. All right. First coily boy is in. Well, I had the first in the back. At least.
There's the second one.
Here, got it.
Thankfully I have thin arms. There. In.
The control arm is in. I'm only not sure if this one needs a washer. I don't think so, because I don't see a washer on the other ones. Only thing is we need to be careful where we already tighten stuff, because if you tighten it too late, then sometimes you can't tighten it anymore. I found that out on the other side.
I'll make sure that we're not making advertisements. Just off-brand Coke.
Coke, if you pay us, then we'll show the logo.
Never show the logo.
Alright, we made a bunch of progress. This side suspension is pretty much
Mostly
in.
attached. Yeah. So that's nice.
So yeah, we're gonna clean up. Next time we're gonna do the other side.
So we got the nice new subframe, diff is in. PC Rage and Cody Boys. So getting somewhere.
Alright, so that's it for today. See you in the next video. You wanna say goodbye, guys?
Bye.
See ya.